The Dog and His Reflection, a short moral story. One sunny morning, a hungry dog found a juicy bone in the village market. Overjoyed, he snatched it and trotted off to a quiet spot to enjoy it in peace. On his way home, he crossed a wooden bridge over a calm stream. As he looked down into the water, he saw another dog staring back at him, with a bone just as big. Not realizing it was his own reflection, the greedy dog thought, "If I bark at that dog, I can scare him and take his bone too." He growled and barked fiercely, but the moment he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the water with a splash and sank out of sight. Shocked and saddened, the dog watched the reflection disappear. He had lost the only bone he had, all because he wanted more than what he already possessed. With his tail between his legs, he walked home, a little wiser and much hungrier. Moral: greed can lead to great loss. Be thankful for what you have, instead of chasing what isn't real. Thank you for watching.